Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you my latest collaboration products that came from PandaHall. I was reached out to by PandaHall to see if I would be interested in choosing some items from their website, and these are the things that I thought looked intriguing and fun to work with. So the first thing I have are these stars, and they are beautifully stitched. I find them to be a nice selection, a variety of colors. This is one of my favorite colors, this blush pink, that and this mustard yellow. Very versatile. I could see this being good for fall. This would be great for an October daily. In addition to all of these stars, let's see how many you get here. 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, nice. And then you also get these jump rings to, I'm assuming, attach this part of the star to the keychain. And there's the keychain with the rotating ring. Nice clip in the gold color. And I get a whole package of them to start creating with. The next thing that I received from them was a series of washi tapes. So I'm not sure why they have sent an entire package of the exact same washi tape. I don't know if that was a mistake or if it's really meant to come in this way, but I'll show you what they look like. Really very beautiful images here. It's going with the very sort of vintage vibe lately that I've got happening with my junk journals. I've gone ahead and stuck one in my Hobonichi Weeks just so you can see how well it actually sits on the paper here. So this is just a page of notes that I had in the back. The previous page is kind of crinkled from some little art journaling that I was doing on the other side. So if you're wondering why the texture seems a little off, it's to do with that. I will tell you the thoughts and feelings about this washi tape. The gloss on this washi tape is much shinier than I'm used to. It's not a bad thing, but it's just a preference for you to know. Some people might really like that shine. The images are beautiful, but the words are odd. So they don't make complete sense. In addition, I like people without principles more than everything don't want to. So be aware of that. The next thing that I chose was a pen making kit. So here I have a variety of different pens in a variety of different colors that I can create. Just trying to see how, okay, so they work just by clicking up. And I can create, let's just, I'll just put work. I always work 4 to 12 here. Just want to see what they write like. So they write nice, just a black pen, and they've got a bit of a sparkle to them. So what you do is you fill in this gap with a variety of different beads and charms, and part of the order came with all the things that you need to work with. Of course, you can supplement with your own stash as well, which I think would be really fun to do. This looks like such a simple project that it would actually even be really fun to do with kids. The thing that surprised me about this when I was ordering that I'll point out to you is that the material is made out of like a silicone or rubber. It's not what I was expecting. I was expecting more of an acrylic or bead type material. Not that it's bad, just unexpected. And then the colors are very vibrant, and it actually is really perfect timing because I created a notebook for one of my friends for their birthday, and now I can create a matching pen to go with it. How fantastic. And maybe a matching keychain and all kinds of stuff. So the last two things that I ordered here were like surprise mystery bundles, and I love a good surprise, and I gotta show you. When I first opened this, I was trying to remember, what did I order here? And this didn't look like anything that would have been on my radar, and then I realized this was the mystery kit, and it was just a random selection of a variety of things, and it is a set of different ways to create dangles for my purposes. It's all of these different clips, and I really am happy to have a variety of colors and shapes and styles to put to use, because I definitely will get great use from them. And in colors like that I wouldn't need a lot of, but I'm happy to have one of, like if I was working on a fall project, that would be great. Same thing with this. It's like I have one ring that I could use to create like a tag flip. And so that's something that I wouldn't order black specifically, but if I was doing like a Halloween tag flip, that'd be perfect. Here are a bunch of useful clips that you could add to a keychain. So those are just a handy thing. So some thin ones and two thicker ones. And then we have these plastic keychains where you could add a photo or some sort of a scrapbook paper or something. So I have all the tools to create something fun with that. Lastly, we have a bunch of plastic clips. So this is a clip that opens and closes. Oh, well, that's kind of neat. So if you wanted to clip things together like a bunch of pages, you could create it like that, and then, oh, I like that. Or you could do a ribbon off of there. That's neat. So anyways, always fun to have a good little mystery. And then another mystery item were these gold charms. And it's nice to have a variety of textures and charms to hang off of a project that you're working on. So this charm here has a hole through it that you could add a jump ring to. And then some of them have built-in jump rings. And then some of them have built-in pendants, like already attached, so that you could just add that to your project the way it is. So there's a variety of those. And that was another little mystery pack as well. So that's fun. So if you're interested in any of these things that I've shown you here today, I will leave links down below, as well as a code for you to save on your next order if it's something that's caught your eye. Watch for tutorials coming with how to make these pens, and let's do like a binder ring. There will be all the information in the details below. And here is an added little bonus, something that they sent to me along with my order, a cute little reusable shopping bag with all of the different highlights of things that they sell on their site. So that was really very thoughtful that they've included this extra little gift. And if you are interested in ordering from PandaHall yourself, I will leave links down below to the products shown in this video, as well as a discount code. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you want to follow along for more, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.